Moving on now, Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal and top cop B.S. Bassi are locked in a war of words yet again. During an exclusive interview to India Today's consulting editor Rajdeep Sardesai, Kejriwal referred to Bassi in what many would consider to be unparliamentary and derogatory language. Delhi's top cop hit back at the Chief Minister, saying it is highly regrettable that Arvind Kejriwal has used such language.
ये कहते हैं नहीं, दिल्ली पुलिस के खिलाफ भी नहीं करोगे। दिल्ली पुलिस का अगर कोई ठुल्ला किसी रेडी पटरी वाले से पैसे मांगता है, उसके खिलाफ भी केस नहीं होना चाहिए। ये मंजूर नहीं है।
It's a derogatory expression. It is an obscene expression. So I refuse to believe that Honorable CM has used this word. All institutions and all instrumentalities of state must have mutual respect for each other.
And ever since that exclusive interview that India Today conducted with the Delhi Chief Minister, reactions have been pouring in.
Anti-corruption, Kejriwal, whether Kejriwal is sincere in this anti-corruption move is something which is to be seen, because his entire campaign was on the basis of the anti-corruption. But after coming to power in the last 4 months, what they have done, corruption of their own MLAs are coming out. What they have done, whether the corrupt MLAs action is taken by Kejriwal himself. So that shows that, they are also not sincere. But the fact remains that, anti-corruption steps which is taken by the state government, where central government's consent is necessary, if they are putting, any obstacles in this, I think what Kejriwal said is right, and central government should not stand in the way of any steps taken by the state government in dealing with corruption.
देश के कानून में बहुत गुंजाइश है, और अगर मुख्यमंत्री होते हुए भी वो कुछ नहीं कर पा रहे तो ज़्यादा बेहतर है इस्तीफा दे दें, दोबारा चुनाव हो जाएगा।
और लगातार केंद्र सरकार के बारे में उल्टा सीधा बोलना, केंद्र सरकार को कहना, मैं उनसे पूछना चाहता हूं कि जब से वो सरकार में आए हैं तब से दिल्ली की जनता के लिए केवल बातें करने के अलावा टेंजिबल कुछ हुआ है क्या? सामने दिखने वाला कुछ दिखाई देता है कि क्या हुआ है?